We are known for bringing you high quality, affordable, low cost solutions. How affordable? The bank has told you they finance generators, assets. So we fall in that category. We are known for bringing you high quality, affordable, low cost solutions. How affordable? The bank has told you they finance generators and assets. So we fall in that category. We help you, the teacher here, just like the inspector said, to make impact. We help you to go with a bulb at school at zero deposit, as long as you make a commitment. Right? So by the time you live here, you can start impacting your school by taking light and removing that darkness there. That is called affordability, right? So you don't have to break your bank account to start. You can start small and grow from one bulb to 2 bulbs to all the blocks. So we are lighting one classroom, one block at a time, right? We have all our solutions behind there, and I will use just a few minutes. So how are we affordable? Is because we are lighting one classroom at a time, one block, one school at a time. We can't do it because we are business people, but if we have partners like Equity Bank and GiZ who are gurus in this financing game, they help us with finances and we bring the products down to you. That is one. 2, low cost. Yeah, you have seen solar, big, small. Energy is big, right? We have specialized in low cost solutions, and we want to work with hard to reach schools, but also we believe that we can start small and grow big, right? So we have partners who can bring you all those solutions. High quality, our solutions are German engineered, German companies. You will look them up, known for quality products. So we have the solar school systems specifically designed to serve your needs as you grow from one bulb to powering the entire laboratory equipment or computer lab equipment. And we have seen use cases in Luero where for the last 12 months we have worked with still GiZ and the Equity Bank. We have put solar in over 120 schools. Here in Aleptong, Kakira Secondary School, those who know it, they gave us a testimony that their school moved from 0 first grades to now 7 or so. My colleague from Aleptong will tell you when you come to our desk. And the testimony is because of what this impact GiZ is bringing and Equity Bank to bring light to our learners, the candidates. They were able to go extra hours, maybe in the evening, and catch up with the Kampala people and those people that are the cities like Lira. So if Aleptong can do it, Lira can do it, and all the schools around. Our ask is that come and sign up for a school solar system, like the inspector said. Tonight, you can start with at least one bulb. You sign a commitment form and you pay in installments as small as 210,000. You can start, and then you grow slowly. If you have any dark spot in your school, I can tell you more stories if your time allows me. But we shall be sitting down behind there with our forms for you to fill and sign up to apply for our solar system. My name is Jude Chigozi from LUK Solar, and LUK Solar will say a better, brighter tomorrow. Thank you very much.
Thank you, for that timely presentation.